Hello everyone, Jai Jagannath. I am Jasmine here. Welcome back to my channel Take on Beyond with Jasmine. Today I am going to start a demanding skill Power BI that's needed for data analyst. So let's explore the syllabus. What the topics are there to cover. Power BI, then we'll move to syllabus. Let's see what are the topics to cover up. So here we are in first topic that talks about foundation of Power BI. Here basically we'll understand about what is business intelligence tool, role of Power BI in analytics workflows, then Power BI ecosystem that consists of desktop, service, mobile, gateway, then installing Power BI desktop app. The next topic we'll discuss about data preparation Power Query, where we'll cover importing data from Excel, CSV, SQL, APIS file. Then cleaning data through remove duplicates, handle nulls, change the data types. The next chapter will be about transformation, where we'll discuss about merge, append, pivot, and unpivot. Then query dependency and performance, that's query folding. The next topic will be about data modeling, where we'll study about star schema versus snowflake schema, creating relationship one to many, many to many. Then we'll come to know about calculated column versus measures. Then hierarchies like date hierarchy, drill downs. Then we'll do some practical for scalable models. At the end of the topic, you will come to know about fact table, dimensional table here. The next topic will be about DAX, data analysis expression. Basically, here we'll do some mathematical calculation. By basic, we should know about syntax, row versus filter context, then core functions that talks about sum, count, distinct count, average, etc. If we'll see intermediate function, then calculate, filter, related, all. In advanced, we'll come across time intelligence functions, that is YTD, MTD, rolling averages, then variables in DAX and complex measures for KPIs. The next topic will be about visualization and reporting, where we'll discuss about standard visuals like bar chart, line chart, cluster chart, column chart, scatter plot, maps, etc. In advanced visual, we'll come to know about KPI cards, decomposition tree, custom visuals. In interactivity, we'll see slicers, filters, bookmarks, drill down, drill through. Then in design principles, we'll see how to make layout, color theory, storytelling with the data. Then next topic will be about publishing and collaboration, where we'll study about Power BI service that talks on workspace, apps, dashboards. Then we'll cover sharing the reports securely and safely. The next chapter will be about row level security, RLS. Then the deployment pipelines, where we'll come to know about development, testing team, production team, how it passes. The next topic will be about advanced features. We'll come across on the content like performance optimization, where we'll come to know about aggregation, incremental refresh. Then AI features, where we'll come to know on QA visual and AI insights. Then about integration with Excel, Teams, Power Automate, and then connecting to the cloud sources through Azure and Dataverse. The next topic will be about some practical capstone projects, where I will show you the dashboards related to sales domain, HR domain, financial domain. If we'll see in sales performance dashboard, we'll come across the words like revenue, profit, region analysis. Likewise, in HR analytics dashboard, we'll come to know about attrition, hiring trend, diversity matrix. Likewise, in financial forecasting dashboard, we'll come across some financial terms like budgets, variance, predictive analytics. The very end topic will be the bonus, where we'll discuss about interview and real world preparation, how to do it, where I will teach you and show you common Power BI interview questions that are asked in the interviews. And I will show you the business case studies and few dashboards how we'll execute in our day-to-day corporate life. That's it. Hope you will like the video. By end of this video, full of syllabus, I must say, you will be expert in making dashboard and storytelling and make the decisions based on the visuals and reports. At the end, I will tell you, if you like it, like the video, comment on it, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends and family and relatives. I will see you soon in a new video with new content. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. Jai Jagannath.